Good morning, sir. May I come in?
Good morning. Yes, you may. Have a seat.
Good morning, sir. I'm here to apply for your company.
May I have a resume?
Here you go, sir. Emergency Manungay graduated at MSCIT last March 2023. My course is Computer Science, and I've read your FB page that you're hiring, and I'm interested in this job.
Why are you interested in this job?
I'm interested in this job because I want to express my skills and potential in this field. Furthermore, I want to have an extra income. I am qualified for this job. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and can work under pressure.
Good morning, sir. May I come in?
Yes, you may. Please have a seat. Okay, tell me about yourself.
I am Yenimar Bilabadan. I am 29 years old. I am a graduate of BSc Civil Engineering. I am interested for this job.
Why should I hire you?
I am qualified for this job. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and work under pressure. That's pretty good.
How long do you plan to work here?
As long as there are no other job offerings, I am willing to work here for a long time.
Congratulations, we're just calling for your application.